What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Willie Behind the Wheel. I just want to give a special shout out and thanks to Injector Lab and Vein Stands for getting my injectors back pretty quick, within a week. So they fully serviced them. I want to show you guys package. They put new top hats on them, and they actually look pretty legit. So they look a lot nicer, cleaner, and also Injector Lab gives you the data to back it up. So I got the before and afters of how the injectors are running, which is probably why my motor actually broke last year, because my injectors weren't running at 100%. And this also could be the reason why maybe a lot of you guys out there, you know, maybe your engine just keeps drying out or whatever. You know, and it's good to have a company like Injector Lab to have like the data to back it up, and show you like the befores and afters and the importance of getting your injectors serviced. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those now, and they also gave me a whole bunch of stickers and stuff. So, you know, pretty cool sticker. So I'm gonna throw these on after. Vein Stands and Injector Lab, so go check those guys out. No, they're not sponsoring me. I'm just, you know, letting you guys know that you know, I would definitely recommend sending them out to those guys. You know, most people out here that clean injectors don't give you back the data. These guys do. Data's important, especially with any race car, street car. You race it on the weekends, or you race it on the street, or just in general. It's always good to have data, especially when your car's acting up. So, you know, as you can see, one of my injectors was failing pretty bad. So now they're all running at 100%, and I'm gonna go ahead and install those right about now. So yeah guys, I'm pretty much back on E85 ethanol because down here in Florida it gets really hot and humid, and at least the E85 is a cooler fuel than 93. It's definitely a colder fuel, and I don't want to melt the motor down, especially when I go to race. So you know, after like long consideration of debating and whatever, I decided to put it back on the 85, and I found the pump closer to my house, so that's also a plus. So yeah, it's going back and forth with it, but you know, it's one of those things. It's just more logical to stay on the 85. That way I just avoid breaking my motor and stuff like that. So you know, it gets to like between 90 and 95 degrees here. Imagine at the racetrack, maybe 100, 110 on that blacktop. So yeah, you know, I'd rather stay with a colder fuel. So you know, it's you know, I was debating for a long time to go back or not, whatever. But you know, after getting some professional opinions, also by tuners and other people, they definitely recommend that I stay on the 85. So especially with how hot and humid it is down here in Central Florida. But you know, hopefully I'll be taking this down to Orlando Speed World pretty soon. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a test pass. Let's see how it runs. So yeah guys, just got back home, and the world of a difference on how it's running. It's running way better, idling better, starting up a lot better. It's just no more like hesitation. Like now I just feel like it's just running way better. I mean, as you guys seen on the chart, it's, you know, all my injectors were underperforming, especially one of them was really underperforming. But now I can feel the difference. You know, I mean, I did get up on the car a little bit, not how I wanted to, but you know, I did get up on it, and you know, it was just smooth. It wasn't breaking up or anything like that. And you know, unfortunately, it started raining, so I couldn't really, you know, really get up on it how I wanted to. But you know, safety first, I guess. And you know, I was really hoping to test it on the nitrous. You know, test it on the street with the nitrous also. But unfortunately, I couldn't get to do that either. So, but you know, stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna go to Orlando Speed World probably next weekend. You know, next weekend or the following weekend, I'll get to Orlando Speed World, and hopefully it's sunny that day, no rain, so that way I could really get up on it and hopefully achieve my goal of that. You know, getting this car into the 10s, and then just keeping an 11.5 index car, have fun with it, and you know, see if I win a trophy. Who knows? But yeah, guys, for all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace.